This evening, we're getting a clearer picture of what Killeen ISD students, parents, and staff want when it comes to returning to class. The district released the results of a detailed survey they completed a few weeks ago. Fox 44's Kendall Green has been unpacking the results of the survey. He joins us now live in the studio. Kendall, what are parents and staff members saying?
Adam, according to the survey, the comfort level for returning to class in the fall varies between parents, staff, and students. But the question going forward is how the district plans to meet both the demands of what's indicated in that survey and the state guidelines at the same time. Results from a detailed survey, including thousands of parents, employees, and students within Killeen ISD, show where they stand on returning to class this fall. According to the data, initially, parents are the most uncomfortable with students returning to class this fall at 58%. Yet, 56% of KISD staff members say they are comfortable. The biggest contributors to overall comfort when returning to school or work were cleaning and hand washing, as well as offering smaller classes to enhance social distancing. The majority of parents and staff members say schools should implement changes before returning, while a small portion of both groups think courses should be done online only. Nearly 60% of parents and staff members expressed a serious concern with the overall health of their households being impacted by COVID-19. KISD's TAINA says while the information from the survey provides a wealth of insight, the district's plan is to take the new data and balance it with the mandates handed down by the state.
It is a balance, of course. TEA has different mandates, requirements, and suggestions, and we want to know what really is a moving point for our families. So we're working to develop something that really answers the needs that they had so that we educate children, because that is our core business.
BEAULE, the president of the Killeen Educators Association, says he's happy with how the district asked for feedback, and he knows pleasing everyone won't be easy.
There are no easy choices. There are no great choices. Every choice we have has a price tag attached to it, whether it's learning gaps, whether it's equity of access, whether or not it is how comfortable kids are in terms of learning.
But the data shows that parents' comfort levels with returning to school rise as they become more informed.
You've got a combination of people who truly feel that the school and the body and the community that we bring in value with going to a Killeen ISD school is important to them, and that if they know we're taking it seriously, they are ready to come back.
Now, district leaders tell us that they expect to unveil their plans to the public on Wednesday of next week. We'll provide a link to the complete survey on our website. That's fox44news.com. Reporting in the studio, Kendall Green. Adam, back to you.